Students, now we are in the fourth video lecture of Unit 3. Organizing Unit 3. Five phases of human resource planning: analyzing, forecasting, planning, implementing, and evaluating. Organizing is the process by which the structure or the allocation of the job are determined. It involves giving each subordinate a specific task of establishing staffing. It is the process by which managers select, train, promote, or retire their subordinates. So directing and leading is the process of activating the group of efforts to achieve the desired goal. So it includes controlling. Controlling is setting the standards for the performance, checking this how the actual performance compare with the operative function. The operative or service function or those which are relevant to the specific department. So operative function, it involves procuring the rigid kind of people in appropriate number of to be placed. So operative function development, for the function involves activities meant in improving the knowledge, skill, aptitude, and values of employees. It consists of activities such as job evaluation, wages, salary, administrative, bonus, incentive, payroll, benefits, and perks. So operative function maintenance, it is concerned with the protecting and promoting employees while at work, various benefits such as housing, medical, etc. Significant and of role, need of objective of HRM. So it provide the develop overall personality of each employee to be ethically and socially responsive to the need of society, to ensure that there is no threat of unemployment inequalities, adopting a policy recognizing merit and demerit. Human resource management process: planning, recruiting, selection, orientation, training and development, performance appraisal. Role of HR manager. So operation role: advisory management for the effective use of HR. Strategic human resource planning: recruitment, selection, training, development. Measurement and assessment of individual and group role. Administrative role: timekeeping, salary and wage administration, maintenance of record, human engineering mission. Role of HR manager: firefighting role, grievance handling, settlement of the dispute and union management, management of welfare services, management of canteen, cooperative tools, transport, etc. Hospital, group dynamic. So personal versus HOM. So we can differentiate the personal manager and the human resource manager, timing and planning, etc. So what is HRP? Human resource planning. Why human resource planning is important? So What is HRP? HRP is the subsystem of total organizational planning. HRP facilitates the realization of the company's objective for the this thing. Importance of HR is future personal need, coping with the change, protection of the weaker section, international strategies. Features of continuous process, part of corporate planning, flexibility, long-term and short-term plan. So objective of HRP is forecasting human resource requirement, effective management change, realizing organization goal, effective utilization. HRP process include organization strategies. Need of HRP is employment, unemployment situation, technological changes, organization changes, democratic changes, skill shortage, government change, policy change. Benefit of HR plan. Lower HR cost through the better HR management. More type of HR planning, short term and long term. Short term is for a period of less time. Approaches of HR planning is quantitative approach, qualitative approach. Forecasting the supply of internal human resources, forecasting the supply of external human resources. Forecasting technique, management judgment, ratio trend analysis, workflow technique, Delphi method. Guidelines for making HR effective, integration with the organization plan, period of HR planning, proper organization, support of top level management. What are the factors affecting human resource planning? Organization growth and cycle, time horizon, nature of job bearing field, outstanding. Challenges of HR planning, globalization, employee selection, balance with the work life, retaining talent, conflict. Barriers to HR plan is time consuming, trade unions, uncertainty, conflict between quantitative and qualitative approaches. So the requirement of effective HR plan indicate the basic requirement of human resource plan. So with this we are concluding the fourth video lecture on the third unit. If you have any doubt, you can raise your questions. Any questions? Okay, we conclude the fourth video lecture.